friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Martina Parker, and if you love luxury, lifestyle, fashion, how-to videos, home decor, boom babe, you are in the right place. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about fashion. Since COVID hit, I have not been on any trips. My last trip was 2019, September, October 2019. I didn't go anywhere in 2020. And now, the world is starting to feel more open. I want to go someplace in 2021. And so I am going to talk about the best vacation sandals that I have found so far for 2021. So if you're interested in looking and seeing what kind of sandals I'm going to be sporting this year, just keep on watching. First up is a pair that is so super comfortable, chunky heel, low maintenance because they are fabric, but they add a bang to any outfit. I'm talking about the 14th and Union sandal. And what I love is that this part is a little bit stretchy, so it has a little bit of give. So as your feet swell during the day, you're still going to have a very comfortable fit. It's maybe a inch or inch and a half heel, and they are super sweet looking. I can see myself wearing them with dresses, jean shorts, wrap dress, t-shirt dress. They're going to go with a whole lot, and they were under $60. The next pair is going towards what I like in a espadrille, except they are not an espadrille. They are actually a raffia heeled sandal. So this suede yellow sandal actually goes around your ankles. So easy, because sometimes when I have to buckle something or that, I'm like, I ain't got time for that. But this one is so easy because you just simply tie it up behind your ankle. These are by Vauquier, New York, and they were less than $60, but they're such a cute summery shade. I love yellow in the summer. I don't have a whole lot of it, but I wanted to add this pair to my collection because I'm tending to go towards some brights and neutrals for the fall. Again, this is a Nordstrom or a Nordstrom Rack find. My next pair is another pair from Nordstrom. These are by Asola, and they are a wooden heel and a lovely kind of braided, I don't know what to call this, textured motif, and they're leather, so they're going to be super comfortable. They zip up in the back, which I love, even though they have a buckle detail on the side, but they are so super sweet looking. And the best part about them is they're sold at Nordstrom, they're sold at 6 p.m. and stores like that online, but I got them from the thrift store for $13.99. So yes, for $13.99 I got these shoes, and they still had the sticker where people have been trying them on. So when I peeled that off, you can see that yes, people tried them on, but that's about it. They're brand new sandals, $13.99. They are a $98 value. So love these, ready for vacation. But you're never ready for vacation to me unless you hit some of those, those little brands like a Tory Burch. You got to hit a Lily Pulitzer because they get you all the way together, a Ted Baker. So I went to Tory Burch and I picked up two pair. This orange pair, again, another chunky heel, not too high, but give me a little lift because I like a little lift with my clothes. They're orange, and they are a nubuck leather suede, and so I love that. I even love the little detail on the side where they give you a little grommet there, as well as the large chunky Tory Burch emblem. These were on sale at the Tory Burch outlet, and I think I paid maybe $100 for them. So they're an excellent buy, and they're going to be super comfortable. I'll be able to walk in them and look cute at the same time. And so I was like, well, since I'm going orange, I still need to get neutrals. So this neutral pair, also a Tory Burch find, and I've had it for a while, but because you can't go places, I haven't been able to wear it. But what I love the most about it is the Tory Burch symbol on the back of the heel, the way the heel cuts in like that. I thought that was so super cute. These neutral colored Tory Burch shoes, I think they retailed somewhere about $170, and I think I paid maybe $80 for them at the most. So I love them. I love the way they go around the ankle, and because the buckle is so big, they are so easy to put on, y'all, because I do not like those little bitty fussy buckles. It's just get on my nerve. But I love these, and these are so super comfortable. Another pair, if you're not into the higher of the heels, this one's a little bit lower, but I needed a pair of silver shoes. I have a pair of silver Halston Mules that I wear with this bag, and I wanted a pair of sandals to wear with them, and so I got these silver metallic sandals to go with that bag. And these are by Chinese Laundry. I think I got them, they were like $6 at a thrift store, but they are in impeccable condition. The metallic is all the way intact. They are so comfortable and they look good. And what I love about them is that they don't make that crazy popping sound. You know, like when you have on a flip-flop or a mule, sometimes they pop off the back of your heel and it makes that annoying sound, like you 5 instead of grown. No, these is grown and sexy. So I love, love, love these sandals. So guys, we all know that wearing sandals means that we also have to take care of our feet. So come on, girlfriends, let's have a sit down and talk about foot care. All right, girls, guys, gents, babes, girls, divas, and divos. Foot care is important. We go outside, we walk around, our feet get a lot of stress and they get a workout. So we have to take care of them. And that means using proper moisture, proper cleansing, getting rid of the dead skin. And so I'm going to share with you what I do to keep my little toesies in shape. I do not go to salons for anything now. I do my hair myself, my eyebrows myself, my nails myself, and my pedicures on my feet myself. And so I have done that for a lot of years. I may splurge and go every now and then, but for the most part, I like taking care of me. It's part of my enjoyment of my own self-care. So this is what I do. So first I soak my feet. I take a bath, soak my feet in some water, and then I gently go over my feet with an exfoliant. And when I show y'all what I use, y'all gonna be like, what, does that work? Girl, does it? It works. So the first scrub that I use is actually a medicated scrub for your feet. The Quake Beauty Medicated Apricot Cleanser, this one. And I don't really use it for any of the properties that it does for your skin and salicylic acid and all that. I use it because it is a rough scrub. It's actually too rough for your face. I really mean that. When I first started using a scrub for my face, I used to go to this one all the time, and then I stopped because it was really too rough. I went to the apricot one, which is a little bit more gentler, and then I'm now with another one that's even more gentle than the apricot one. So I'm telling you, this costs maybe like $2 or $3. It lasts a long time. You only need a little bit. Just soak your feet and then just use your hands literally to exfoliate some of the dead skin off your feet using this. Then after I do that, I go in because I want my feet to be softer and I want them to smell good when I'm done. And so you can see this gets a workout because it's almost gone. It's time to replace it. This is just one of the tea tree scrubs. This one just happens to be Coco Cocolata. And so I use this just to go over them one last time to make sure that they are all exfoliated and feeling soft. And then if I have a few rough places, now I'm not recommending this for everyone, but if you know your feet and what your feet can take, go ahead and get you one of these. This one is by Revive Beauty. It looks like a cheese grater, but it's actually for your feet. I use this on my heels, and for whatever reason I accumulate dead skin on my pinky toe, right on the side and on my balls of my feet. So I go over the ball, I go over my heel, and then I go over the side of the pinky. Just a couple of scrubs normally. It doesn't take much to go ahead and get that off. You know when you got enough off, when you can feel the smoothness. Don't go too deep with this because you can actually cut yourself and get a terrible infection, and you don't want that. You don't want your feet sore from getting an infection from cutting too deep. But taking off just a couple of layers is really good with this tool. And then once I have done that, dried my feet, I have my own little concoction. So this bottle right here holds hair conditioner. It's crazy. But I use hair conditioner and oil, body oil, any body oil that you have. Just go ahead and put it in a bottle. I put this in here, I shake it up, and my feet are nice and shiny, really beautiful after I'm done with it. On a day-to-day basis, I just use regular lotion or raw shea butter to get that shiny glow on my feet. But right after the pedicure that I do at home, for whatever reason, I like to do this. And so this works really, really well, and it's so affordable. It's really after I've finished exfoliating and getting my skin on my feet all together, now it's time to go to my toes. So I go ahead and clip my toes. I clean up around my toes. And so these are the tools that I use. I use nail clippers, of course. I use this little tool. I have no idea what it's called. It's a cuticle pusher, I believe. And I use it to just go all the way around my toes and clean up any dead skin that I may find. And so I use this tool for that. I also use this to push the cuticle back, because the more skin you can get away from the nail bed, the better the nail polish will adhere. So I use those tools for that. And then my toenails themselves, I give them a quick buff. You want to take the top shine off of your toes or any oil that's on there. So you could go over your nails with a little bit of alcohol or nail polish remover or a dehydrant, whatever you choose. And then I just give it a quick buff with one of these buffing blocks. And then it is ready to go to polish. So the first thing I use is a product from the Dollar Tree. I don't use expensive base or top coats, and you will know why in a second. But I use the LA Colors base coat. It's a top coat too, but I do not use it for the top coat, just for the base. And then I go ahead and I paint my nails. And the reason why I don't use expensive products as a base or a top is because I use very expensive nail polishes, a really high quality nail polish. So the most affordable ones that I use is Zoya brand, Z-O-Y-A, or I'll use Marc Jacobs, which was my next most affordable nail polish. And then when I'm going real high end, I use my Christian Louboutin nail polishes. And then these nail polishes normally adhere so well that they don't chip, they don't, look like you didn't go to a salon. If you can take your time and paint them well, you will be good with your color. And then for the top coat, I just use another dollar store product. I use this bar product called Super Dry. Throw a couple of coats of that on, wait about 10 minutes at the most, and then the nails are dry and I'm ready to go. The slip shoes on, going out the door. And so I feel like I get more bang for my buck buying other things other than getting my toes done, because I do like that part of self-care. I like taking care of myself and doing my own hair, my own eyebrows, my own nails. I love that part of self-care, and so it doesn't bother me not to go to a professional to do that. I normally save that for treats, like if Bay and I are going to go have a massage or beautification day, we'll go do that together, or with my girlfriends. It used to be a treat for me and my mom to do it together, but for the most part, I say that money, girl, just do it myself. So that is my process of keeping my feet beautiful for the summer. So there you have it, my summer shoe haul so far, getting ready for my vacays and summer girlfriend getaways. So hopefully this video has been helpful, especially the tips about how to care for your own feet during the summertime. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll know exactly when I upload. I normally upload typically on Tuesdays and Thursdays, with possibly a bonus video on the weekends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you the next time. Bye.